Eid Sa'id, Unveiling the Joyous Greeting. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that's both beautiful and rich in cultural significance. Eid Sa'id. Whether you've heard it during festive times or you're encountering it for the first time, by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also the context in which it's used. So, let's unravel the layers of this special greeting together. Eid Sa'id is an Arabic phrase that translates to Happy Eid in English. It's composed of two words, Eid, which means festival or celebration, and Sa'id, meaning happy or joyous. This greeting is widespread in the Muslim world, as it is associated with the two most important festivals in Islamic culture, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. This phrase comes to life around the two significant Eids in the Islamic calendar. Eid al-Fitr, celebrated at the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Eid Sa'id echoes the joy of completion of a month of worship and reflection. Eid al-Adha, commemorating the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son in obedience to God. This Eid Sa'id, carries the weight of sacrifice, devotion, and God's mercy. In both Eids, Eid Sa'id is used to convey good wishes, happiness, and unity. The greeting, Eid Sa'id, is more than just a phrase. It represents a cultural tapestry woven with threads of communal joy, generosity, and togetherness. It's an expression that connects millions of people around the globe, symbolizing peace and celebration. When someone says, Eid Sa'id, they are not only wishing you happiness but also inviting you to share in the communal spirit of the occasion. If someone greets you with Eid Sa'id, it's polite to respond with the same phrase, Eid Sa'id, or you can say Eid Mubarak, which means Blessed Eid. Both responses carry positive wishes and reflect the joy of the occasion. Eid Sa'id is a phrase full of joy, shared humanity, and blessings. It's a beautiful example of how language can open doors to understanding different cultures and traditions. We hope this video has enriched your knowledge and appreciation of this heartwarming greeting. Happy learning, and until next time, may your days be filled with joy and meaningful connections.